Good evening friends, welcome to Diamond Bits. According to the market performance today, we have listed out few stocks for technical evaluation. In the list, first stock is Tata Motors friends. We have selected Tata Motors due to the pattern friends. Here if you see, it is like a triangle pattern. One minute friends. It is like a triangle pattern where it looks like this friends. It is just testing the highs and taking the support from the lows. In the same pattern, it has tested the highs and taken the support at the lows friends, and this pattern indicate the stock to move in positive direction. And we have analyzed the volumetric chart also friends. If you see the volumetric chart, day by day the volume is increasing friends. On 26th May it is 36.5 million. On today it is 52.4 million friends. And if we see the data of delivery percentage, this is the data of 21st, 22nd, 26th and 27th friends. It is being increased from 13, 12, 19 and 25.67 friends. Friends, if the stock opens above above 85 tomorrow, we can go for buy friends. Friends, for little bit short term also I want to give the analysis. If you just look into the Guppy moving averages, this is called Guppy moving averages, moving average friends. Here if you look into the chart, these blue lines are short term investors and these red lines are long term investors friends. This short term investor has taken decision to support the price of 84 friends. All the long term investors also came down the momentum and started giving the support friends, except the 60 days moving averages. So friends, it is decided that short term investors are very much positive on this stock. And friends, if you observe the MACD also, from so many days the MACD is in negative friends, but today after so many days it has given the positive symbol. If you observe here, it is the first green candle which it has formed, and the MACD line also it came into the positive friends. Friends, if you want to take the target, I just want to show you friends here. If you want to take the target, we can apply the pivot points in Fibonacci. I will take the Fibonacci. So friends, if you look here, the first target, like after the breakout, I will apply here only friends. You will understand better. Without shading I have applied friends. Here, as it is going to break upside, the next target will be 94.7 friends. So the target is given friends. I am very much positive because of the triangle pattern, volume, delivery percentage, MACD and Guppy moving average friends. This is analysis of Tata Motors by Diamond Bits tomorrow. Before investing, please do your own research. If you like this analysis, please subscribe and give like and share. Thank you.